How to make real estate website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website for your real estate. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do. And in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free. You just need to create a suitable password and use your email address. So here you can see the main homepage of Wix.com. Here you can see the sites you've been creating before, but now we need to create a new site, so we just need to click this blue button, create new site. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click setup without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we want to create a website for our real estate, so I just type real estate. And here we can have a real estate landing page, a real estate development company, real estate agency, real estate agent, real estate developer, real estate consulting agency, community, rental agency, photographer, lawyer. So feel free to choose whatever you want, whatever you need. For example, you have your own agency for real estate, so choose real estate agency right here and click continue. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. Wix dashboard on Wix.com is a perfect tool for creating a site. It's really easy to use. I will show you right now. So we need to enter your business name. So if you have an agency, let's just create a name for it. Agency real estate. And what's your business address? Here you can type your business address and of course your real business name. I'm just creating this for an example, just showing you how to use Wix.com. Don't really need this website, so I will just click continue. And here you need to set your default working hours of your agency, so of course you need to choose this by yourself. I will skip this step. Here you can start adding services. You can add services on your website, or you can add services right here before your website. So here you can have buyer consultation, open house, listing photos, property viewings, property management, property financing, property valuation, property development consultation. So for example, you have this service, and this service. Just choose what services do you really have. Here you can add staff members. For example, here's the name of your worker, like for example his name is Paul. His email right here. You can add new staff member. When you're done, click continue. What else do you want to do with your business? Offer virtual sessions, accept online payments, manage your services and bookings on the go, sync your personal Google, Apple or Outlook calendar, send automated emails and SMS reminders. So choose whatever you want. Now we are all set. Continue to dashboard. Now we are back on our dashboard and we can see that we still have 5 steps to fill in, so we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. I will show you how to do your custom domain right here to connect it. So Wix.com offers us to choose your agency realestate.org. So if you think this domain is fine for you, click let's go. And this is basically your website address. If you will type your agency realestate.org in this search bar, this one, you will connect to your website. but now we don't have this website yet. And next step, you can add your first service, set up your payment methods. As I already said, you can fill in all of those by yourselves. It's pretty simple, just believe me. But we will move straight to this point: design your website, because this is the main part, this is the most important part and the most interesting part. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website, either pick a template or generate a design with the AI. So I highly recommend you to choose this variant, because here you can browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. All of the Wix.com templates, just believe me, they are all beautiful, really nice, gorgeous. Here you can see it. Just look at this. Wow, this looks really amazing. I want to choose check any of others. I really like this one, and I will click edit right here. Now we need to wait until everything loads. Meanwhile, I can say you that use Wix website editor right here. This is the best opportunity to make your own sites, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, HTML or something like this. You just need to use Wix website to create another website, and this is really easy and almost free. Of course, you can have upgrade plans that will give you such kind of benefits, but anyway, it's a free website. Now everything is ready. Now we can move on to the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here on this editor's page. Here we have here we can select which page we are on our site: home, book online, site card, service page, booking calendar. For example, card page, I can click on it, and here it is, card page of our website. Cart is empty, you can see right here. If you don't really need this card page section, you just double click, you just click this, manage pages, card page, click on this, and you can delete this page if you really want it. So next, in the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages, add menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. So for example, this button, add elements, you can add text, you can add image, you can add some buttons, strip, decorative, box, gallery, really big amount of functions. For example, I want to add text right here on the header section, so I just choose text, and for example, I like this one, this font, tall title, just put it right here, and here double click on it. I can type any text, for example, my agency. Of course, you can change the color of text, you can change font size, you can change font style, you can do even animation of this text. So for example, you don't like this one, call us toll free, just delete this. For example, you need to have your own logo of your agency right here, so we need to delete this one. Click delete, and click add elements, add image, upload image. So through this page you can upload image from your computer, drag and drop files here. So you're uploading your logo right here, and then you can drag and drop it right here, very easy. Of course, you can change this number if you want to. For example, you can change this one. You can change this text. You can change basically everything here, as I already said. You can add a section. For example, you want to have welcome section here because you don't have it. So just choose this one. If you want, you can choose another one. Drag and drop it. Here you have your welcome section. You can choose design of the section to just to look it like more appropriate, as I you know. So of course you can change this button, for example, like delete this, start now. No, we don't need this button. Choose this, add elements, choose button. For example, you want to have a join us button right here. So you have this guideline, purple guideline, to understand the center of this box or anything like this. And here you have your join us button. And you can do this button like active. For example, choose link, choose a page, which page this button will be redirecting us, or we can link it to web address. For example, address of our another website, maybe, if you have it. And you can choose how does it open, new window, current window. Or maybe you can link a phone number for this button. You know, container box, you can change the size of this box right here, and you can change the size of any section right here. As you can see, the site has a lot of functions, and I highly recommend you to try to explore it by yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. When you're done editing your site, you just click this blue button, publish, and click publish to go live with your site so anyone can see it. I can show it to you. Click publish. Congratulations, your site is published and live online. So we can view our site right here, and here you have it. This exact website that we are created right now. And the site was designed with Wix.com website builder. Create your website today. If you don't want to have this bar on your website, it's like add banner, so you just need to upgrade. Sites has a lot of upgrade plans. You can see it right now, from cheap ones to really expensive ones. So don't look on this currency, it doesn't matter. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.